Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle or guesswork? The Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit lets you install a new aftermarket stereo right where your factory unit used to be. No awkward gaps, no mismatched colors. It fits double DIN stereos with a screen size up to 3 13/16 by 6 13/16, 96. 8 mm by 173 mm, so you get a clean, professional look every time. I've seen plenty of dash kits that don't quite line up or look out of place. What sets Scosche apart is their precision design. The dash kit fits perfectly between your dashboard and the stereo, creating a seamless, gapless appearance. Plus, the color and texture match your factory dash so well, it's like the upgrade was part of your car from day one. Installation is straightforward too. No special tools needed, and the step-by-step instructions make it easy even if you're not a pro. What really gives me confidence in Scosche is their commitment to quality. For over 40 years, they've been a trusted name in car stereo accessories, offering not just great products but also lifetime tech support. That means if you ever hit a snag or have questions, their experts are just a call away. On top of that, every Scosche dash kit comes with a limited lifetime warranty. So, you're covered for the long haul. If you're tired of struggling with ill-fitting dash kits or worried about the finish clashing with your interior, this is worth a look. The Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit delivers what you need: a perfect fit, a factory-quality finish, and peace of mind with lifetime support. It's a simple upgrade that changes how your car looks and feels. Ready to give your car stereo the upgrade it deserves? Try the Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit when you're ready. It's designed to make your installation smooth, your dash look sharp, and your experience worry-free.